Hey guys, how's it going? This is Ignova. Today I'm gonna unbox this Aukey wide-angle lens and show you guys how to capture a wide-angle photograph using your mobile phone camera with this lens. Let's do it. This is the Aukey wide-angle lens, and this type of lens is very useful when you want to capture a wide scene in your photo. The packaging of this lens is very good. The box looks nice and clean, just like a mobile phone box. If you take a look at the back, there's a QR code and box contents are written on it. Now, let's quickly unbox this and have a look at the wide-angle lens. You can buy this lens online. I'll have the link in the description area down below. So let's open this bundle and see what accessories are provided with this lens. So you'll get a lens cloth, carrying pouch. This is a small instruction manual card. And a cell phone case for iPhone with Aukey branding on it. Let's keep these things aside and check out the main lens. This is the Aukey wide-angle lens. It feels very sturdy in hand because of its all metal and glass construction. The lens has a 110 degrees of field of view, which is suitable for capturing landscapes and group shots. The Aukey lens attachment system is pretty simple. The lens comes with a universal clip and a case for iPhone, which holds the lens in position. But if you don't have an iPhone, you can screw the lens to the clip and then simply clip it on your mobile phone. And then you need to position it over the mobile phone camera lens. This is easy to attach and remove. Now let's take a look at some sample videos that I've recorded with and without this wide-angle lens. The primary benefit of this lens is that you don't need to move away from the object for capturing a wider view. That's it folks for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.